Washing machines are indispensable appliances that have modernized laundry tasks. They are available in top-loading and front-loading models, each with distinct features to suit various needs. Utilizing water, detergent, and mechanical action, these machines efficiently clean clothes. An intriguing fact is the significant evolution of washing machines, progressing from labor-intensive washboards to advanced devices with multiple wash cycles. Notably, they save time and effort, replacing hours of hand washing with quick button-operated tasks. Moreover, modern machines conserve water by using less per load than traditional methods, cutting utility costs and benefiting the environment. In essence, washing machines are revolutionary inventions, enhancing efficiency, convenience, and sustainability in household chores.